Going to look at another use for have and have got. This time we use it for things we must do. These are obligations. We're obliged to do them. So let's have a look. In this use, we have to add something to have and have got. We've got to add an infinitive, and that is a to verb. To run, to get, to go, to whatever. It's a verb with to. So it's got two parts this time. So it looks like this. I have to something. I've got to something. So this is something that's definitely, it must be done. It's going to be done. Here's an example with I. I have to go. Sorry, I've got to go. Okay, now I'm talking about you. You have to go. Come on, you have to go. Remember our rule, he, she, it always takes S, so the have changes to has. He has to go. He's got to go. We're back to have again. We have to go. We've got to go. And we've already done you, so now we're at they. They have to go. They've got to go. If we ask a question about this, it looks like this. What do you have to do? What have you got to do? Now let's look at some sample sentences. I've got to go to work. I've got to make supper. I've got to buy a new pair of shoes. I've got to talk to you. I've got to check the forecast for tomorrow. I have to finish my homework. I have to get some exercise. I have to clean my room. I have to walk the dog. I have to set my alarm. So now take a look at the sample sentences and just replace one word in each. I've got to go to the shopping mall. I've got to make a cake. So just replace something in the sentence and then try to create your own words to complete the sentence, starting with I've got to and I have to. All right, good luck. We'll see you soon.